morning, everybody. This is Josh celebrating Real Estate Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today we are talking about a grand opening. Today we're continuing our One Thing series with a grand opening. Now it doesn't matter how long you've been in the business. If you've never had a grand opening, it's time you did. And what I mean by that is do an open house. Don't plan it, don't do it today. This is what I'm saying, plan about 2 weeks in advance. Hit up everybody in your database. There's just a big ghost that came out of nowhere, crazy. Hit up everybody in your database, every single lead, every single past client, friend, neighbor, and invite them to this party. It's a party to sell a home. It's a party to get business. There's a shortage of listings right now. It's just a celebration of everything. If you've had a great career, it's an anniversary. If you're just starting off, it truly is a grand opening to help you start off with a bang. This is one of the greatest things that you can do, and especially if you're a new agent, this will help you hit the ground running. That's it for today. Have an awesome day. Talk to you guys tomorrow.